Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mr. Twy. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear me well?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Anyway, it's been a while since the last time that I saw you. So how's everything going, Mr. Twy? How's everything going? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear.
Can you hear me?
Yes, it's okay.
Yes. Yeah. The last weekend, my company
Mm-hmm.
went out in trip, and this weekend, my job uh, have a lot of work. Yeah, I
Yeah.
have to resolve a lot of work. Yeah, very busy.
Yes, that's
Yes.
right. You really need to catch up with work after going on
Yeah,
a trip. That's
yeah,
right. So that is just like a normal thing that usually happen at work, Mr. Twy. Same thing with us. If there is like a long holiday, we enjoy it because we sometimes go go outside of our hometown. Yeah,
yeah.
to have like a short vacation. But when we come back to work, then oh my God, we feel like there are so much work left to do because of the long holiday. Then the work that or the task that we have to do are actually has been stuck and we have to do it once we arrive at the office. Anyway, Mr. Twy, like speaking of work, our topic for tonight is all about your work.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Okay,
my
so
work.
this is now level 4. Okay, so Mr. Twy, how do you define the word work? What is work?
Uh, uh, my majors is engineer.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, long. I graduated. I work for the construction company top in Vietnam. The top
Yeah.
in Vietnam. Yes, and I work for them about 7 years. Yes,
Wow.
7 years, and now I sorry. Uh, this work I need to go work uh, go work very far my house. Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to work. I need to work. I I uh, I I have to uh, go go the construction size. Yes, the construction
Mm-hmm.
size. Uh, Mainly, I I only uh, when I only come back my house uh, one time a month.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I need to work near my house, and I can take care of my family Yes,
Mm.
and I searched on the Career or
Yeah.
LinkedIn. Yes, and I applied the CV to the some several company, international company.
Mm.
Yes, and I think I cannot talk English. I can say English fluent. Yes, a long
Yeah.
time ago, I only talk, say hello, uh, goodbye. I
Yeah.
maybe very simple. Yeah,
Mm.
it's simple. And I think I need to study and improve skill English. And I register the center, English center, to
Mm.
study. Yeah, uh, and I study more and more. Uh, uh, Long time I can talk and I confidence. Yeah,
Yes. That's
uh,
great.
yeah, and and now and now I work for the Maple Tree company. Yeah, from Singapore. Uh, I I can I can talk English, but not fluent. And yeah, and now I need to improve. Yeah,
Yes. Actually,
yeah,
Mr.
no,
Twy, the good thing is there is some improvement. If you're going to compare 3 years ago or 5 years ago, you said
yeah,
you said by yourself that you can only speak basic English like hi, good morning, hello, goodbye. That's it. But now
yeah,
you can now compose like 3 to 5 sentences straight, and it makes you confident to speak English. Okay, it takes time to learn English. Don't worry
yeah,
if you're not like fluent enough for you,
yeah,
because one day you will become fluent, because there is a progress. Yeah, it's not like one day, today you learn English, then tomorrow you'll be fluent. No. As what other people said, practice makes perfect. So we need to practice every day. If you can do it every day, then that would be better. It's not necessary that you will join classes every day, because that's not convenient for your schedule. By just watching English movies, listening to English
yeah,
songs, reading English books, or even talking to your clients who are foreigners. That way,
yeah,
you improve your English skills.
yeah.
Yes.
Uh, Maybe I cannot I cannot join with the foreigner uh, because because mm, maybe I cannot uh, I I I I do not uh, confidence
Mm-hmm.
between the young people.
Ah,
Yes. So I I have to change the my thing in my in mind. Yeah,
yes, that's right. It's all about mentality.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Actually, when you really talk to like foreigners, most of the foreigners speak English very slang. They even use slang words.
Yeah,
Sometimes, especially with Americans, we can easily understand what they say. But if we talk to British people from United Kingdom, oh my God, they speak so fast that even me sometimes couldn't understand what they said.
yeah,
Yeah. Like for American English example, American English, they say water like that. Same thing with us, like, oh, can you get me water? But for British people, they will say, can you please get me some water? Water, like that, water. And they're like, what? Like that.
yeah,
Yeah, because most of the British people, I don't know, but they use slang words that who are not English speakers could barely understand what they said, and they speak so fast too. That is why. Yeah. But anyway, um for tonight, Mr. Twy, we have three objectives. Okay,
yeah,
so as usual, we have vocabulary, phrases, reading, and discussion at the end. So the first word in here is company.
company. Yeah, company,
Yes. So you said that you work for an international company for 7 years, right?
company. Yeah,
Okay. So I believe, Mr. Twy, that you really love your company because it takes sacrifices, passion to stay in that company for 7 years. And of course, you probably like your colleagues, you like the environment in that company. Okay,
yeah.
so Mr. Twy, what makes a good company in your opinion?
Mm, make sorry, make
Like this one. What makes a good company?
uh-huh. Yeah, what make a good company? Yes. Uh, I think uh the the company uh have has to take care the colleagues.
Mm,
Yes, the CEO or the line manager
mhm.
always talk uh, with with employees or
That's
discuss
right.
employees. Yes, uh, and and I think the for example the pantry for employees
Mm,
uh, have the noodle or the cafe and this yeah to to the employees to relax or focus this work for focus work. The employees can relax to drink a coffees or cup teas, and
mm.
everyone can discuss in the pantry. Yes, this is very simple and
Yeah.
small. Yeah, and uh, sometimes the line manager or the the the, the boss, yes, uh, has to discuss with the employees and and can eat together.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes, to improve relationship. Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, and the employees can share more information to the line manager.
Mm.
Yes,
That's right.
to the improve the policy or improve process as a job.
Yes, that's right. Well said, Mr. Twy. That's what makes a good company. Like, yeah, a good company will really look after its employees. And of
Yeah.
course, a company is run by a CEO. Or
Mm.
sometimes, or most of the time, it's the manager who is trusted to manage the company and the employees. And if you are actually a good manager, you should have a good relationship with your staff, with your colleagues, and you should also look after your staffs. Yeah. And I believe that if you manage people well, then of course the employees will not immediately resign from that company. And I believe too that a good company offers more opportunities for its employees. And at the same time, they should be growing in that company. They shouldn't be stagnant. Like, for example, just like you, like, I think when you started with your job, um, I like what was your position when you started with that company, Mr. Twy?
My positions is property management.
Okay, then now, what is your position now?
Now,
Is
now
it the same?
is yes, senior SQ. Yes, property.
So, see, that's what I mean. So, there is growth, there is promotion, and there are more opportunities. And that's what makes a good company. Because if you stay the same like before, uh, if like you already stay in that company for 7 years, but there is no progress in your position, or you don't even grow, then of course we wouldn't stay in that company. We would just look for other companies that actually offers more opportunities for our professional growth or for our career, like that. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, we have here next co-workers or colleagues.
Yeah, co-worker or
Yes.
colleague. Yeah.
Of course, a company has many people in it. Yes. So there is no such company that is only run by one person. There should be employees, there should be a CEO, a manager, and other people or even clients, like that. Okay. So, Mr. Twy, like you mentioned that you easily get along with your colleagues, right?
Yeah, right.
So, how can we build a good relationship with our colleagues?
I usually drink coffee with my colleagues and
Mm,
sometimes discuss everything, discuss
yeah.
social, discuss science, discuss history, discuss young people on trend
Mm-hmm.
or viral, yes, social media, yeah, and maybe the coolest uh, we 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 cannot have relationships relationship relationship with my family. Yeah,
Yeah.
the limits the relationship with
Hmm.
with the police should have limit.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, to check for police.
By the way, I cannot hear anymore.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Not really well.
Read.
It's very low.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry. Okay. Uh, I think some police uh, do not good. Do not good.
That's true.
Very 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 story. Yes, very
Mm-hmm.
story. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
always talk, always talk. Talk. Mm, talk back. Talk. Mm, talk not good for
Yeah,
me
that's
often
right.
when you don't have hair or there.
Yes. That's true. That's true, Mr. Toy. And that what makes the environment at the office become toxic.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes, that's right. So if you know that they are like that, then don't be around them. Just mind your own business. Because, of course, if they talk about other people behind their back, how much more if you are the one who is not around them? So they will also do the same thing to you. They will also talk about you behind your back, like that. And you know what, Mr. Twy? Like, um, in to have a good relationship with our colleagues, there should be a respect. Respect everyone so that you can easily get along with them. And we should cooperate, because cooperation, what is something um that makes our work very easy. And of course, what's that? Every task is done with cooperation. Yeah, because we have colleagues, because we have different jobs that we need to do. So we cannot do all jobs at the same time. So a cooperation in the company is very needed. And aside from that too, avoid talking behind somebody else's back. Like for example, like one common scenario for that is if you are like a senior manager, or if you are the boss, then of
mm,
course everyone is looking at you. They respect you. But if you are not a good boss, they would talk behind your back, like that. Okay, so that culture in the company shouldn't be practiced. So we should avoid that one to have a good relationship with our coworkers. If they talk bad about other people, then just don't say anything, just listen. Or else never be in their table, like that. Yeah,
never under table.
yeah, never be around them on their table. For example, of course, they are sitting on a table, in a round table or like that. So they be like, you know what, our boss, blah, 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 like that. Then if you say something, they might also say it to your boss. Yeah. So if they are around, if they're talking, then of course, like, leave that table, because you don't belong in that table. You know what I mean?
I don't know. Yes, I don't understand.
Oh, actually, what I'm trying to say is, for example, you and I are talking. We are talking bad about your employer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And your wife can actually hear us. Your wife is also our colleagues. Yeah, if
Mm,
you are a good coworker, you will not
yeah.
sit on the table where everyone talks bad about other people.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. That's what I'm trying to say, Mr. Twy. Because already, of course, we are already adults. We know what are the right things and the things that are not right to do if we are working, like that. Okay, so respect is the most important thing to have a good relationship. Okay, then next we have here the boss.
Horse. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our manager, our CEO, or the owner of that company. You know what, Mr. Twy? Like us in our company,
Mm-hmm.
the owner, the son of the owner of the company, is also working with us. Yeah. But in our of in yeah, of course I belong to a small branch. But in our head office, it's
Mm-hmm.
big. And there are like thousands of employees. But whenever that you see the owner of the company, he is just a regular person. There is no such thing as special treatment whenever that you meet him. Like most of the time, how do we treat our bosses? Like we give them the special seat, we treat them with nice food, we treat them nicely with respect, with all the, because we treat them as a very important person. But with our boss, he's just the same thing as the regular employee. That's why we love him, we respect him, because there is no such thing as special treatment. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, Mr. Twy?
Yes, I understand about uh, the boss. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
the our company have 1,000 employees. Uh,
Mm.
and has office. They work at office about something.
Yeah. Okay. And also, like for example, there's an elevator. So we would go to the 13th floor. Then the
Mm,
boss walks in. Most of the time, what happens in the movie or in real life, they would give the space for the boss.
mm.
So that is a special treatment. But in our company, we can actually go inside the elevator with the boss.
Uh-huh.
That's
I
how
know.
nice our boss
Yeah,
is.
I will explain. Yeah.
Mm.
Uh, your company have 11 floor. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
you usually go inside elevator, go up
Mm.
uh,
Mm.
the office. Yeah. You and your boss go inside together.
Mm.
Yes. But the elevator
Mm-hmm.
overload. You and your boss go inside the elevator, or the or all employees to go inside and your boss go inside elevator. Sorry, do you understand?
Ah, I think like
Yes.
that. For example, you are
uh,
our boss. You are the boss. Then you
yeah,
want to use the elevator. Okay,
yeah,
most of the bosses, they would say, I want to use the elevator, so I will go up on my own. I don't want to
yeah.
be around with the employees. That's how the typical boss is. But with our boss, he's like, oh, let's go up together because there
uh,
is no such thing as I am the boss, you're the employees. We are all employees in this company.
uh-huh.
And that's what
Ah,
makes him a very good boss.
yeah. In Vietnam, sometimes employees to go go outside, and
Mm.
the boss go inside, go up elevator first, and
Yeah, that's the
yes,
typical.
employee, yes, employee go up.
Mm, the
Yeah,
second, last, like that. Yeah, that's not
yeah,
how it is in our office. Yeah,
yeah,
our boss is also just an employee. He doesn't want a special treatment because he is the boss. He would
yeah.
even say, oh, I'm just an employee, same with you. And those are
Mhm,
the qualities that makes a good boss. Because I believe a good boss has great leadership skills. He
mhm.
treats fair with everyone. Like he treats everyone fairly. Yes,
Yeah,
and he is also an inspiration. Someone that we look up to like, oh, one day I'm going to be that kind of boss too, who
yeah,
actually look after everyone. And he's not into, oh, you're just a janitor, you're just the security guard. Okay. No matter your position in the company,
mhm,
you are very important because we are working to put
mm,
food on the table and we have family to feed. So we have the same purpose why we are working. Yeah.
yeah,
Anyway, Mr. Twy, it's already time. It's so fast. Oh my God. So we will just call it a night and I'll see you on Saturday if you are available.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Sorry, that morning Saturday I have um to go to hospital with my wife. Yeah, can you arrange the afternoon or the evening Saturday? I
yes,
can.
sure. Afternoon is fine.
Yeah,
Like
and the
5
evening
4 p.m., 4 o'clock.
for
Is
for
that okay with you?
4 o'clock. Yeah. Yes. Okay. 4 o'clock. Yeah. I
Yes.
will send it to confirm the time.
Okay, sure, Mr. Twy. So have a good night and
Yeah,
let's just keep in touch in Zalo. Goodbye, Mr.
yeah,
Twy.
thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Welcome.